Bay parking causes all sorts of problems for learner drivers. In this video, we're just going to look at how to do it. It's very simple. When you do the exercise, make sure that you're on the left-hand side of the road, because if it was a two-way car park, you're not going to interrupt with other flow of traffic. Also, being further away from the space is really going to help you swing the car around, and if there's any mistakes or adjustments needed, you can do this quite easily from further away than closer. So let's have a look at how the manoeuvre is done, shall we? So we're looking to go into the space next to the red car, and what we do is we're just going to count back 3 lines from the right hand side of that red car. So you've got line number 1, line number 2 and line number 3. Line number 3 is between the white car and the black car there. So what I want to do is I want to line my elbow roughly up with that line, and I know then I'm going to be in a decent position to turn into that space just after the red car. So we've got line 1, line 2, line 3. That is between the white car and the black car, and we need our elbow lined up with that. When we do our turn, we're looking for full lock on the steering wheel, reasonably steadily, so not too slow but not too fast, and keeping the car at a snail's speed. This will allow the car to swing around and hopefully go into that space. I'm going to need 3 lines back from that red car, and what I need to do is line the third line up with my elbow. So it's about there. Okay, at this point I'm going to check again, and I'm going to be looking at the space, and as I release the brake I'm going to start to turn full lock to the right. Check around to make sure my surroundings are clear. And the full lock will start to take effect at this point. Still checking, keeping it very slow, about 1 mile an hour. What I can now do as my car comes around, if your driving instructor's got these baby mirrors, these little circular mirrors, I'm looking for the line on the right and the line on the left to be lined up with the side of the car, which they are now, and I'm going to straighten the steering wheel up. It's okay to dry steer a little bit there, just to make life a bit easier. Now just reversing back in a straight line, with the wheels straight, looking around. A bit of a windy day, hopefully you can not hear that. And once we're in the space, what we'll find is the line of the space going across in front of us is just underneath the door mirrors.